Welcome back to AutoCAD Help. I'm Mr. Davison. Today we're going to be looking at Fillet and Chamfer, two tools that you'll need quite often while working with AutoCAD. Both are on the Home tab and Modify panel. If you look here at Fillet and the arrow right next to it, when you pull it down it will do Chamfer. We're going to start off with Fillet. We are going to make the bottom box look just like the top box. Okay, if you look at the first fillet, it has a radius of 2, so we're going to click Fillet. First thing you're going to do is hit R, enter, 2 for the radius, enter, and then you select one line and then the other line, and it's literally that easy. You can hit spacebar now, but again, you want to change the radius, so you have to hit R, enter. The next one we see is 5, so 5, enter. Select the first line, select the second line, and you've got it. Next one we have is radius of 10, so spacebar, which does the last command. R, enter. 10, enter. First line, second line, and then the last one we have a radius of 15. Spacebar. Now you can go down here to radius and just click it, type in 15, enter, select the first item, the second item, and we have filleted the bottom square to look like the top one. Next tool that we're going to look at is Chamfer. It's right next to Fillet, and so you'll just click that and you'll notice there's a whole bunch of polyline, distance, angle, trim, method, and multiple. The only two we're going to look at is distance and angle. With distance, you put in the distance of side 1 and side 2, and it will cut that angle for you. So we are going to choose distance. We're going to look at this one as a 10, 10. So I'm going to type in the first distance, which is 10, hit enter. The second one, 10, enter. You select the first line, you select the second line, and it trims it automatically. Back up to Chamfer. We're going to do an angle one now. With the angle one, you put in a distance and an angle. Distance to the first side, and angle to the second. And so, we go to angle, enter 10, and 30 degrees. So the first line, the one you want to make sure it has the 10 on it, and then the second line, and it'll automatically cut that for you. Back to distance, just to show you that you don't have to do two distances at the same. So this one has a 10 and a 5, and we can choose either one. I'm going to choose distance. I'm going to choose the 5 as the first one, 10 as the second one. Just make sure you click the proper lines, and we have our cut there, 10 to 5. And then the last one I'm going to do is another angle one. This is going to be a 45. These two angles right here should be the same, because on a 45-degree triangle you have two sides that are the same, two angles that are same, and then the hypotenuse. So this side should be 10 also. So we're going to go chamfer, we're going to go angle. The first side I'm going to say is 10. The angle I'm choosing is 45. I'm going to select the first one and the second one, and we have that 45-degree cut there. Now notice, even though we're trimming and curving sides, this one polygon or polyline is still one object. You can explode it. If you explode it, it will turn into arcs and lines, etc. but when you do these features such as trim or fillet and chamfer, they stay one object.